To the acquittal of Napeñas.
I'm severely disappointed. There must be. I'm totally devastated by it. Mamasapano is one of the great injustices of our time. We send people who are simple folks who became soldiers and policemen to their deaths, and there was obviously I've always been trying to open up Mamasapano. Kaya lang I have senators who are investigated, but to my mind mukhang nagkulang ang prosecution na naman dyan. Kaya nga sinasabi ko palagi, depende sa nagpo-prosecute eh. That's why sometimes you say, oh, I work so hard, I work long hours. Ayokong bitawan eh, pagka mainit. Kahit naabutin ka ng 2 araw walang tulog, para lang mahuli mo, magagawa mo yun dapat. So it depends on the passion, on the hard work, on the intelligence of the prosecutor. Kung kumalpa, katulad yung PCGG, titignan ko yan, bakit kayo natatalo? Meron namang dokumento di umano sa Central Bank na original. Bakit kailangan matalo? Oh, yes. So kailangan dapat kung DOJ ang nag-prosecute yan, dapat talangin natin, or ombudsman.